each of our schools, we expect them to be world class. We have 110 schools in 12 countries of the world.
अलीगढ़ के बहुत से लोगों का ये मानना था कि अलीगढ़ में अभी तक बच्चों को सर्वांगीण विकास दे सके, वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन दे सके, ऐसे एक बड़े शिक्षा संस्था का अभाव है। उसके लिए एक तो डीपीएस विश्व की एजुकेशन की सबसे बड़ी चेन है। केकेजेन एजुकेशन ट्रस्ट ने एक गठजोड़ किया ताकि हम एक ऐसा क्रिएशन दे सकें अलीगढ़ में, और हम इन पिछले 3-4 सालों में इसके अंदर रहे हैं।
Akansha, studying in 10th standard of Delhi Public School, Aligarh. When I was young, like all small children, I didn't know which school I would be going to. What would be the best option for me? My parents and grandparents selected this school for me. Why this school? I think they'll tell you better than me.
The devotion in the school, the ratio of teacher and taught is of 1:17, whereas in her previous school it was 1:75. When I saw that the roll number of my granddaughter was in the merit list, I entered in the office of Mrs. Naqvi, the vice principal of DPS. I was surprised, and this thing attracted me the most, that a number of bundles were lying on her table. I asked, she said, I supervise that. This is really a unique thing which I did not see in any public school.
लेके चलती हूँ अपने स्कूल की जूनियर विंग में, नर्सरी और प्रेप क्लासेस में. You can see for yourself that these kids feel secure and happy here. It is because they are looked after by very affectionate teachers. अपने घर जैसा खुलापन और प्यार मिलता है इन्हें यहाँ. पर इतना तो मैं बता ही सकती हूँ कि इन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो थीम बेस्ड टीचिंग होती है, उससे तो सारी बात का मजा ही बदल जाता है.
We have thematic based education system for our children from class nursery to 2. Under this, a theme is chosen for the month and is practiced through curricular and co-curricular activities day in and day out of the month, so that the values are imbibed in the child totally.
Upon, then you show your little light, twinkle twinkle all the night.
मेरे को ये स्कूल अच्छा लगता है बहुत, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे खूब मजे करता हूँ. वहाँ की कैंटीन बड़ी बढ़िया है. By the time the students are in standard 2nd and 3rd, a growing confidence starts manifesting in them, which is interesting to watch.
This is the baby brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the baby wash our face, wash our face, wash our face.
Our school has many activities that give us the real joy of producing something with our own hands. And most of them are socially useful also. They help us in becoming a better human being. मुझे याद है जब मैं छोटी थी तब पेंटिंग वाज माय फर्स्ट लव। अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी बनाकर टीचर के पास जाती थी and I used to tell her what I had done.
और इसे खूब पैटिंग मिलती थी और कुछ टिप्स भी।
पेंटिंग करते समय लगता था कि सारी दुनिया के सिकंदर हम ही हैं।
सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हरी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है।
We start our day with aerobic exercises which develop neuromuscular coordination of the children. In their routine classes, they used to learn different major games like football, basketball, cricket. A unique feature of our school is that we are imparting education about taekwondo, self-defense art, target shooting, horse riding.
मुझे DPS इसलिए अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि यहाँ पर पढ़ाई के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स में भी ध्यान दिया जाता है।
Look into my eyes, you will see. कहते हैं music communicates human emotions most powerfully. It transcends all language barriers. It is our best companion. It is so many things. This is my right. All right, given by God. To live a free life. To live in freedom.
I'm talking about freedom. I'm talking about freedom.
और जब संगीत का रिदम बॉडी मूवमेंट्स के साथ जुड़ता है तो बनता है द बैकपाइपर बैंड। DPS is DPS and DPS Aligarh is wow.
DPS Aligarh is equipped with health checkup facility that is assisted by a panel of leading doctors of Aligarh.
यहाँ हम लोग जनरल एग्जामिनेशन करते हैं, उनकी जनरल क्लीनलीनेस पर ध्यान देते हैं और उनको ENT चेकअप्स करते हैं, डेंटल चेकअप करते हैं। बिफोर एनी एग्जामिनेशन वी आस्क द पेरेंट्स to give the history of any past illness of the child.
In our pursuit of excellence, we never neglect our comparatively weak students. We believe and we prove that no weakness is permanent, for dyslexia is a learning disability. And that is why DPS Aligarh is a second home for children like Saad and Namik who are slow learners.
My elder child has certain problems because of this. Though it is a problem which goes away, but it needs a lot of training and a lot of patience. DPS is an institution which has been careful with such a child of mine.
अभी तक का जो इम्प्रूवमेंट है उसको मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि वो सेटिस्फैक्टरी।
हाँ, ख़ास तौर से मतलब पहले जैसे उसके सोशलाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम थी, बच्चों से मतलब मिक्सअप नहीं होता था, किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहता था। इस बार मैं नोट किया कि मतलब उसमें बड़ी एम्बिशियस है कि मैं भी स्कूल इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करूं। एंड नाउ ही इज़ पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन साइकिलिंग एंड अदर एंड वेरी हैप्पी।
The DPS Shiksha Kendra is just one manifestation of this concern
of DPS Aligarh. It is very gratifying to note that our teachers here in DPS Aligarh have wholeheartedly stepped in to give a helping hand to the students who come in this Shiksha Kendra from the nearby areas surrounding the school. And the joy of seeing the smile on their face is worth the labor spent on.
Another important feature is the Child Counseling Center. Regular counseling sessions are held for the benefit of the students, and these sessions are normally taken by a trained psychologist.
And counseling in DPS is done in coordination with the class teacher, the parents, and the counselor. Without the coordination, counseling cannot be effective because it is the personal and emotional adjustment of the students as well as to reduce the academic stress of the students. Both are equally important.
I love the school because I want to become something in my life, and for this, my school had provided many facilities. So, I freely say I love this school.
Even if I miss out a single day from my school, I feel that the whole day has gone without meeting my friends.
DPS Aligarh is not an old institution, but its roots are deep and its foundations strong. That is why dozens of our students cover a distance of 30 kilometers to reach the school. And this speaks of the faith that the parents repose in DPS Aligarh.
सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम डीपीएस का काफ़ी अच्छा है।
जब कई बार बस बीच में खराबी हो जाती है तो इनके पास वायरलेस है, उसे हमें इन्फॉर्म कर देते हैं, तो हमें चिंता नहीं रहती बच्चों की।
आई एम वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट डीपीएस इज गिविंग।
We love our school very much.
I feel very fortunate that I'm studying in DPS Aligarh. Our teachers are always there to help us. I confide in my teachers, and this is not a small thing.
There is an old saying, a sound mind houses a sound body. कुछ यही बात हमारे स्कूल पर भी लागू होती है। जितनी सुंदर और मजबूत यहाँ की बिल्डिंग है, उतनी ही वेल इक्विप्ड हमारी लैब्स भी। Our teachers are always there to help us.
Delhi Public School Aligarh is a pioneer in the field of providing the latest education to our children in Aligarh. From the very beginning, we expose our children to the whats and whys of things. We try to develop the basic curiosity and the attitude for science. The method we use is guided discovery method, wherein the children, they are only directed towards the goal and the teacher takes the back seat. They themselves discover what has to be learned and then they tell the teacher what they find out.
But you can't compare our computer lab with other labs. It is something different. It's like dance and music. We have computer education from very beginning.
We are running an informatics lab here for those students who can do better than their age group and can create history in the field of information technology. To make the subject more interesting and informative, every tool and application has been accompanied with on-screen picture presentation to give real and practical approaches besides theory.
Personality development is a very wide term, very important too. और शायद इसीलिए हमारे स्कूल में लैंग्वेज एफिशिएंसी पर काफ़ी स्ट्रेस दिया जाता है. And this is reflected in our overall personality also.
Here at DPS Aligarh, we have provision of a sophisticated language lab. Basically, the purpose of having a lab of this kind is to build up the listening skills, the viewing skills, and the skills to express opinions confidently.
In the third language category, French is offered as one of the subjects. There are many activities in French.
Was machen Sie hier denn?
Wir lernen Deutsch.
Bitte Vorstellung, bitte. Geben Sie Vorstellung. Ihre Vorstellung.
Ich heiße Amida Rahman. Und du?
We have many things to be proud of, and interactive teaching in senior classes is one of them. Maths is otherwise considered to be a very dry subject, but it's not so in our school. Continuous development in the progress of our students is the testimony in itself.
Don't think that we are caged in our classrooms only, that we don't move out. जरा कान तो लगाइए, सुनाई दी कुछ घोड़ों की टापें। हर एज ग्रुप को सिखाई जाती है हॉर्स राइडिंग डीपीएस अलीगढ़ में। कम मत समझे किसी से हमें।
Our greatest gratification is our sincere attempts to win the heart and confidence of the parents, because without their active participation and cooperation, we would have never reached this height in such a short time.
I've been attending the PTI, parent-teacher interaction meetings regularly. Whatever suggestions I have been giving to the school management, writing on the sheet or verbally, I can say around 70% suggestions they have accepted and implemented too.
DPS has a much more friendly environment. The students and the teachers both have a better rapport. The setup is democratic. The setup also, that is the management, pays attention to what the parents say. And you as an individual matter, and that makes a major difference to some of us, if not to all of us.
I too have something to share with you. I was overjoyed when I came to know that I had qualified for the Scholar Badge.
Scholar badges are awarded to those students who have secured 80% and above in the aggregate.
I love Delhi Public School because here every teacher pay attention on each student and teachers behave very politely with every student.
The education trips are the integral part of DPS education system. Every year such trips are organized, keeping in view the requirement of the subjects. The teachers guide the students to various places of historical, geographical interest. The basic idea behind organizing such trips is to develop observation skills, first-hand experiences, besides general discipline among the students.
हम तो चले एक लंबी ट्रिप पर, कुछ घूमेंगे, सीखेंगे, देखेंगे और होगा खूब धमाल। We are not bookworms, दुनिया को खुद जाकर देखते हैं हम।
ऐसी ट्रिप्स पर जाते हैं तभी पता लगता है what is the importance of house system.
What is feeling of belonging to one school? What is oneness? कैसी डोर से बांधकर रखते हैं ये हमें? Really, these trips are very effective.
I'm the house captain of Ravi House, and I can say with pride that I've learned the team spirit and a sense of belongingness, which is an essential part of the house system here.
Library is the heart of an educational institution. DPS Library serves as stepping stone. Here in our library, it is an open access system. Reading interest is created by showing pictorial books, stories, and audio-video cassettes.
स्कूल के ऑडिटोरियम में पहुंचो तो मूड ही बदल जाता है। थिएटर के अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस पर अब मैं घंटों बोल सकती हूँ, पर जाने दीजिए। लेट अस पीप इनटू अ सीक्वेंस नाउ।
वैसे क्या तुम्हारे पास बहुत पैसा है?
बहुत ज्यादा पैसा।
घूमने को गाड़ी मिलेगी?
कोई मर्सिडीज।
टहलने को लॉन है?
बहुत बड़ा।
खाने को पिज्जा मिलेगा?
कोई डोमिनोज का, कम ऑन।
And what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Come on.
Our festivals and celebrations are a path to showcase our effort to see an all-round development among our students. Whether it's or an Independence Day celebrations, we don't miss a chance to develop virtues among our students, not through lengthy speeches, but through diligently planned and meticulously executed acts.
Do you know, just a few days back, I had the privilege to meet our Honorable President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It was a memorable moment of my life. सोचती हूँ, अगर DPS अलीगढ़ में ना पढ़ रही होती, तो क्या कभी कलाम साहब से मिल पाती?
This is the first DPS to receive the ISO certification for quality management from the DNV Netherlands.
We not only emphasize on values, but we also make them good human beings in such a way so that they contribute to the society.
Very shortly, the Faculty of Science and Commerce will spring into action in the coming session 2003 for classes 10+2.
We at Delhi Public School Aligarh forging ahead day by day with modern amenities such as hostel. Our home-like hostel will have a capacity of 250 students, separate blocks for boys and girls. This hostel will provide quality education, internet, intranet, as well as the satellite education will be part of this hostel.
I think we are getting the best education in DPS Aligarh.
Yes, of course. But I'm sure when our juniors will come to our stage, they'll enjoy much more better facilities, isn't it?
Yes.
अच्छा, क्या ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि सारे स्कूल हमारे जैसे हो जाए? But at least we'll try our best to make this world a better place to live. Wherever we go, whatever we do. Thank you, DPS Aligarh.
To facilitate learning, distance education through satellite is being provided by the Education Management Council, Delhi Public School Society, New Delhi. In a short span of time from now, DPS Aligarh will link itself to this satellite education, thereby enriching the experience and the learning of students who can put forward their queries and solve problems too.
I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that given another few years, DPS Aligarh will emerge among the finest schools in the DPS family.
सर साइलेंस तो बढ़ाइए। क्लासेस में आते ही हमारे सर पर समय लगता ना। Oh God, क्यों नहीं बोला?
Not book girl. दुनिया को कुछ चक्कर नहीं देती क्या?
बस